This is a 6-piece set of egg rings and pancake molds sent to me to review from Paddle. So let me show you a closer look at what's included, how to use them, and the results you can expect. They are all individually wrapped. You've got two circle ones. They're about 4 inches in diameter, about 6 inches, and about 8 inches. Your two square ones are about 4 inches. They all work the same way with this hinged handle. So that's as far back as it'll go. So it's going to be easy to get in and out of your pan, and then for washing, etc. And then for storage, just fold it in. That's going to allow for more compact storage. Look at that, that's 3 in 1 here. The other 3 aren't really gonna stack inside each other, but still, that's fairly compact with no handles sticking out. The handles are nice. So you've even got that little grippy bit there, going to keep it from getting too hot. Product page says that they use a high quality stainless steel with non-stick coating. They're not sharp or anything, they're very smooth. These are amazing for pancakes, sunny side up eggs, hamburgers, souffles, you name it. They're also great for cutting the crust off of bread, creating your own kind of uncrustables, if you will. Sky's the limit with these. They are really easy to use, easy to clean. I love them, and I know you will too.